Determine the equation of the quadratic function represented by the table of values below. So given here are the values of x and the values of y at the bottom row. So to solve for the equation, you must first take three ordered pairs from our table. So make sure to choose those three ordered pairs that seems easy to use for our solutions. So I'll be picking 0, 6, 1, 4, and 2, 4. So let's start by having our equation y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And then let's start with our first point, which is 0, 6. So if our point is 0, 6, and then we substitute, of course, this ordered pair will be our values for x and the values of y. So first value of x is 0, and then the first value for y is 6. Substituting this to this equation, this will give us 6 equals a times 0 squared plus b times 0 plus c. As you can see, y had been substituted by 6, and then x is substituted by 0. This is your x values. Then we simplify this as 6 equals 0 squared times a will give you 0 plus b times 0, that is 0. So this is your value for c. C equals 6. Next, let's go with the second point, which is 1, 4. If you have point 1, 4, and then we substitute this to our formula. So 4 equals a times 1 squared plus b, again x is 1, plus c. So this is 4 equals 1 squared is 1 times a, b times 1 is b plus c. And this will be your first equation. So let's name this as equation 1. Next, let's go with point 24. Point 24. And then let's go with substitution. X value is 2, y value is 4. So 4 equals a, x value is 2, so 2 squared plus b, x is 2 plus c. Simplifying, b equals, 4 equals 4a plus 2b plus c. So this is your equation 2. Since we already have our value for 6, or for c, we're going to substitute this c equals 6 to our equation 1 and 2 to form another equation. So this, let's go with equation 1. 4 equals a plus b plus 6, since 6 is equal to 6. Simplifying this one, this will give us 4 minus 6 equals a plus b, or negative 2 is equals a plus b. Now we have another equation, which is equation 3. Now, for equation 2, we're going to change c to 6. 4 equals 4a plus 2b plus 6. And doing the same method, addition property of equality, 4 minus 6 is equal to 4a plus 2b. 4 minus 6 is negative 2 equals 4a plus 2b. And this is our equation 4. Alright, next is to use equation 3. Since both equation 3 and equation 4 have two unknown values, we can combine these two by using elimination method. So by elimination method, we can have here, let's start with equation negative 2 equals a plus b. Then the other one is equation 4. This is negative 2 equals 4a plus 2b. And of course, to eliminate some values here, we need to multiply equation 3 by a number so that we can eliminate either a or b. Since looking at this one, maybe I can look for a, so I'll be eliminating b. So to have here, to eliminate b, I need to multiply this equation 3 by 2. So I could have here a 2b on equation 3. So multiplying this by 2, it goes like this one. Negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 equals 2a, and then this is plus 2b. And then no need to multiply the equation 4 since we're going to eliminate this 2b here. Negative 2 equals 4a plus 2b. Now we need to subtract equation 3 by equation 4. So if we're going to use subtraction, of course, this sign, this negative sign, will become positive. And then here, this 4a becomes negative, and for this to be this also negative. So we can easily solve for this one. Now, negative 4 plus 2 will give me negative 2. 2a minus 4a, that is negative 2a. Positive 2b minus 2b, of course, that will be eliminated, that is 0. So stick to this one. Then looking for the value of a, dividing both sides by negative 2, this will give you a equals 1. Alright, now let's look for the value of b. You can use either equation 3 or equation 4 for the value of b. So here I'll be using equation 3. So for equation 3, using equation 3, I can have here negative 2 equals a is 1. Allow me to write it first. Negative 2 equals 1 plus b. Using APE, this will give you negative 2 minus 1 equals b, or b is equal to negative. Now we have the values for a, b, and c. We're going to substitute all of these values to our equation y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and we will obtain y equals, of course, a is 1, so x squared, and then b is negative 3, so minus 3x, and then c is 6. Now this is our equation for number 1.